Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to give you an unbiased review on the website that is gciwt.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, watch the video till the end, as people from United States are very curious about this website. So let's check out what is this gciwt.com. It is a few days old online store that has an extensive collection of inflatable pole setup. Like they have the collection of inflatable water park, outdoor water park and pool slides and cannons, water slide tunnel, disco boat pool, inflatable water slide with climbing walls, mountain river race, and they have many more interesting inflatable items which carry like carrying bags. So let's check out some other details. Like the specification of this web store are, it is 22 days old website. As far as contact number and email address and physical address is concerned, they have not mentioned any detail from this store. As far as shipping cost is concerned, they have not mentioned any shipping charges. For return policy, you can return the product within 7 days of your purchase. And as far as expected delivery time is concerned, it is composed of processing time plus shipping time. So no exact days have been mentioned on the website. So the positive point of buying from this store are, the store is selling fantastic pool setup and it is e-commerce store that offers a full refund payment on return. As far as demerits of buying from this store is concerned, we could not find any reviews of the customer, and the website allows to buy only product to each buyer. Like you can buy only one product. This online store does not have social media existence. The website seems to hide the owner's information, and the website has not mentioned any registered address and customer support contact number. And this e-commerce store has a domain age of only 22 days, and it can't be trusted easily. So as we are discussing certain parameter to check out its legitimacy, we are going to move further and we will discuss some other details. So the first detail is trust score. As far as the trust score of this website is concerned, GCIWT has earned a trust score of about 1%, which is very bad. And the website has updated its domain age for only 1 year, which is also not a positive sign. As far as the social media presence concerned, we are unfortunate to find that there is no active social media pages are available for this store. So we can say that as we have discussed these certain parameters, as it was created on 30th June 2021, just 1 year, we are unfortunate to find customer review regarding this website or any other product. So we can say that it's really very soon to trust this website, but we recommend you not to buy anything from this store at this moment. Wait for some genuine reviews and then make your wise shopping decision. Before that, you can go and have shopping from some other store which have a true and genuine customer reviews and is old one, because as we all know, nowadays we are having different fraudulent activities for the name of online store. So we recommend our viewers just wait for some time or not to buy anything from this store at the moment, so you may not get scam.